In the next 15 minutes, you are about to learn how I took a $40 digital product that I produced and sold it and made over $6,000 in less than 6 days. Most content creators and first-time online business owners think that they have to have some high-ticket, fancy product in order to make a substantial amount of change, and that's just not the case. These lower digital price point products can make a lot of money as well. And we're about to dive into how exactly I did it and why I'll always sell and promote the lower ticket digital products, and that's coming up right now. So this digital product that I'm talking about specifically is a digital course. It's one form of a digital course. Now, if you've been watching my channel, you know that I've dove into the topic of online courses, and there's so much to talk about when it comes to this topic, because just like anything, when it comes to investing, when it comes to the type of businesses you can create, there's all types of different options within a certain field and a certain topic. And it's no different from digital courses. And so why digital courses and why this certain type of digital product? Well, if you hadn't heard already, the online learning industry on the internet is a booming industry. Okay, in 2020 alone, the market was estimated at over $250 billion. That's billion with a B. And by 2026, it's estimated that it's going to cross over $430 billion. So there's plenty of people to win and sell their own digital product within this industry. So you might as well hop inside this e-learning industry right now. And if you're planning to release your own digital product in the form of a digital course, go ahead and type in the comments e-learning. I would love to know. And also, if you think you have a course topic, let me know that in the comments as well. And so in this online business world of digital courses, there's so many types of courses you can sell. So in my mind, there's really 3 main categories that your digital product can fall under in the form of a digital course. Of course. And that is a mini course, right? Or a lower ticket product, or what I like to call a gateway course. And then in the middle, you have your transformation course, which takes somebody from A all the way to Z. Oh, I left my window open again. So then the transformational course, as I was saying, is that mid-level priced course that gives somebody a complete transformation. It takes them from A all the way to Z, and a transformation that they are specifically looking for and a problem that they are trying to solve, right? And then you have your third level, or that third type of online digital product, which is more of a hybrid type model, because there definitely be some in-person involvement at that high level, because those price points can range from $2,000 to $5,000 and beyond. And so that is the hybrid course model, where you have some face-to-face interaction, some coaching included within your course, or included with the digital course and the video lessons that you are offering as well. So those are the 3 types. You got the gateway course, the transformational course, and also the hybrid high ticket model that's typically built once you've been in business for quite a while. Most of the time, new business owners, unless you've been in the game for a while, or you just have this gift and know how to sell high ticket, typically don't start at the very top with a high ticket model, because it's very hard to build out that business. A lot of times you need sales representatives to help close these high ticket sales, and it just gets more complicated. So that's why I encourage everybody to create a little gateway course or a mini course, whatever you want to call it first, because it's just practical. You can really create this product within just a couple of days. You can launch it within a week, and you can have a quick cash injection into your business like I did. And so I'll walk you through a few of the basics that you need to know when creating a mini digital product, aka course. And so let me tell you why I'm a big fan of the gateway course, or this mini product. One, because it's very affordable to your audience. You are going to sell this thing for no more than $99. Okay, it's going to be at a price point that is a no-brainer for somebody to buy. They're going to be like, oh, this thing, it's $39 and I'm getting all of this. Yep, I'm adding it to cart, I'm buying it right now. Okay, so it's something where if they see it on your website, or they see it on maybe your link tree on Instagram, or wherever you are, your YouTube channel, TikTok, they're like, oh, they come across it, they're like, yeah, this offers a lot of value, I'm getting it right now. It's a no-brainer price point. The other feature of this low-ticket digital course is that it's automated and it's also scalable. So you create the product once and that's it, you're done. You don't have to do anything else. You sell it on the market And it's from that point on passive income, and it's scalable because you can sell it to as many people as you want. You can sell it to 100 people, you can sell it to 10,000 people, it doesn't matter. And that's why it's a really nice income stream and also very scalable. But the best part about this product is that I call it a gateway course because that's literally what it is. It's a gateway to other products that you are going to sell in the future, whether that be a coaching service, consulting, a mastermind, event, whatever it is. It's kind of like your audience or the person that buys, your customer that buys this product gets a taste of the knowledge of and they also get a quick win. That's another thing that is very important about this course, is that the whole point of it is it gives your student who buys a quick win. Okay, it doesn't give them the full life transformation. It just gives them that one win that they've been looking for. Maybe you're teaching them in your course how to get their whiny dog to just stop barking and shut up. Okay, that's a problem that a lot of dog owners have. It's like, dude, how can I get my dog to just be quiet? And so that's something you can teach them very quickly within this program. And once this product is complete and once you create it, the reason why I love it is because it's so flexible. Let's say you already have a lead magnet and you already have email marketing going on. Let's say you have some automated emails going out to people. You can incorporate the sales page to this product into your email sequence. You can incorporate it on all of the maybe description in your YouTube channel, everywhere that you are present online. You can easily incorporate this product. You can have a lot of places where your audience can have a touch point to it and have the potential to buy this product. So the way I like to tell people to promote it is, let's say you have a freebie offer, an opt-in. When you offer your lead magnet, immediately on the thank you page, you can have a touch point like, hey, check out if your freebie is getting delivered to your inbox right now. But if you're interested in learning how to solve XYZ problem, then check out the blah, blah, blah course that I have right here. Click on this link and it'll take you to the sales page of your gateway course. Okay, so what comes first? Well, what came first in my sales of my particular product, my gateway course, what I call it, is I had to think of a way to sell a product where I was just giving away a piece of my knowledge. So if you think about my brain and you take my brain, and if you were to cut a little piece of my brain out, it's like, that's the knowledge I'm selling. Okay, I'm not selling everything I know about business and what I've learned about YouTube marketing. I'm just selling a little tiny piece, which will help somebody tremendously get clarity on this one little thing, and it'll help them move forward, and they can get momentum in what they're doing and go on and move on to bigger and better things. And so one thing to keep in mind as you are developing this mini course is this information should be consumable in no more than 2 hours. 2 hours is actually kind of long. My mini product or digital course is consumable in less than 60 minutes. So you get in, there's 3 simple video lessons, and that's it. It's like 20 minutes per video lesson, and it has some worksheets and it has some downloadables, and that's it. You're done within an hour. It's very, very easy. And at the end, people are feeling really good about the action items that they can do and the tools and the couple of resources that I include within this mini course. And if you're struggling on what your course topic could be for just this mini product that you want to sell, don't think too hard about it. So let's take the example of massage therapy. Let's say that you are a massage therapist and you've created a very successful massage therapy business, a mobile massage therapy business. It's very successful, you're generating a lot of revenue, and you want to teach other massage therapists how to do it, okay? So you're just going to teach in this mini course how a massage therapist can get their first client within 24 hours, something like that. You're not going to teach them the full, A to Z on how you created the entire business, how you created the legal pages, the websites, the sales funnels, how you were able to create passive income in your massage business. No, you're not going to give away all the tea, right? You're just going to give away one piece of the puzzle, and that's how a individual massage therapist can get their first client within 24 hours or something like that. Okay, that's what's going to be taught and included within your mini course. And then if you wanted to upsell them to a coaching program or to a bigger course at the transformation level course, you can do that and teach everything you know. You can kind of think of this as a paid way to get qualified leads into your business, because typically people give away a lead magnet in a freebie and people go on their email list and they get on there for a free piece of value. Well, this is kind of cool because this is a way to get very, very qualified technically customers and buyers who then are ready to buy whatever product that you have next. So then once you decided what little small piece of your knowledge you're going to teach, you're going to create it with free tools. You don't need fancy software to create video modules in a course, especially if it's just under an hour. You can simply create it using free tools like canva.com. You can use the free version of Canva to create it. You can use loom.com to screen record something that you're teaching on the screen, all of your video lessons. And then if you want to put together presentation slides or some type of visual to walk them through something, again, you can use Canva to do it. They have very, very, very nice presentation templates. You can also use Google Slides. That's what I personally use to put together all of my curriculums. I like the flexibility and the design aspects of Google Slides, and that's also free as well. So really, this is the most time-consuming part of your course, gateway course creation, is putting together the slides, the content, recording. Maybe there's a little bit of editing that you have to do, but it should go very, very quickly. You are the most knowledgeable of what it is you're teaching, so you can map it out in a way that's very step-by-step and consumable, and something that people can take action on, so it shouldn't be too hard. Okay, so you figured out what you're going to sell knowledge-wise, right? And then you've created your digital product with the free tools. Now the next step is to create a sales page. Don't overcomplicate it. A lot of the sales funnel builders that are out there, maybe you have a sales funnel builder already, they have different templates that you can model and create your sales page. So it'll have a title, it'll have a description of your product, it'll have the benefits, it'll hit the pain points. The pain points is a big one. So the pain points of what you know your customer is going through, that is what's going to be on your sales page, because you're speaking directly to what it is they want to solve and what you know their problems are. So the pain points you're gonna have to hit for sure. And then you're gonna talk more about the benefits about your product and also the features. Like if you, let's say you include video lessons, and let's say you include a calculator, or let's say you also include a planner, a digital planner, something, whatever it is that you're including within the package bundle of your digital course, definitely highlight every single thing. You're gonna wanna walk people through exactly what they're getting on the sales page, because that is going to make your sales page convert higher. That's also something that really helped me. Another thing is if you have testimonials, you don't need a ton of testimonials to sell a $40 product, right? But if you have a couple of testimonials, you can put like maybe 3 throughout the page. And these could even be written testimonials. You don't have to worry about getting a video testimonial. That will also be super helpful. And so the other thing you may be asking is like, where or what tools should I create my sales page and host my membership? The quick answer, because I've made different videos about this before, is I really love all-in-one business tools. I like KARTRA, and I also like system.io. There's so many great pros to both of these. I would say that if you're looking to get started today, if you don't have a high budget to invest monthly right now, and you're looking for a very incredible tool that does have everything, definitely go with system.io, because they have so many great templates with sales funnels. They have email marketing. It really is your one-stop shop for your online business, that you can host a membership, you can charge people, you can have checkouts, you can have upsells, you can do email marketing, you can have automations, you can have a website. It's really, really cool. So I'll leave the link in the description for that. It is my affiliate link, so if you do use it, I do get credit, which does help support the channel. And I could also leave a link to a video where I did a full tutorial on how to use the system.io tool, so that you can check that video out after you finish watching this video, of course. So now we are pretty much ready to launch this thing out to your audience, right? And don't get discouraged if you don't have thousands of followers and millions of views on your YouTube channel or your Instagram reels. You can definitely sell to the audience that you have now. Maybe you have an email list, maybe you have a following of 500 people on Instagram, or you have a YouTube channel that has 200 subscribers. Launch this thing, launch it to this audience. You can do it. The way to get the most bang for your buck in the beginning is to launch it out, make some noise, tell people, hey, I have something really cool coming, in 10 days or whatever it is, whenever you plan to launch. Start giving value, start making some noise on your social medias about what it is you're going to sell, different pain points that you have, And then when you're ready, launch it. Start promoting the sales page. And what I would do is offer a little discount code just to make it even more irresistible the week that you launch. And here's why you want to do it. When you launch your product, on the first day, if you get a few sales and people consume the product, you'll get feedback right away on this thing. So what does that mean? That means that you can use that feedback in the form of maybe they leave comments within the tutorial videos. You can use that to then use as testimonials on your sales page. So then you'll have more social proof of this digital product that you're selling, and people are going to be like, hey, other people, this is working for them. Let me buy it. So this is literally what happened when I sold my gateway course. It's priced at $47, but when I launched it, I had a 15% discount code. So I sold it for $40. And I remember I launched it on a Tuesday, and by that Friday alone, we made $2,100 on this product. I was like, holy crap. So within that 6 days of launch, I think it was Tuesday through Sunday. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we made over 150 sales. It was insane. I was like, whoa, I was not expecting this. My goal was 75 sales, and we pretty much doubled that. So that was really fun. And I barely promoted it to my audience. Like, I promoted it on my Instagram. I made a couple of Instagram story pages for it. And then on my YouTube channel, I made a video talking about the product and announcing like, hey, there's a 15% off code until Friday or whenever it was. But I remember like when the code or the sale ended was when I saw a spike in the sales. I was like, wow, this is incredible. I couldn't believe it. It was really, really fun. And so maybe you don't make 150 sales, but maybe you make 30 sales. That's amazing. That's a quick cash injection. So wait, what's 30? Let me just do quick math here. 30 times 40, that's $1,200. $1,200. So imagine making that much within a week. That is pretty sweet. That's $1,000 in a week that you wouldn't have had before from putting in this effort. So then after that, you can sell this thing in an evergreen fashion. And even if you want to promote it and have a promo in the future, let's say like, next quarter you want to promote it and have another sale, you can do that. So you can promote it and sell it as much as you want, which I highly encourage. We don't sell enough, in my opinion, as business owners. I think we get a little bit too scared to sell to our audience. And I think that, yes, you don't want to be selling all day, every day to your audience. You definitely want to have different seasons of when you're giving value, different seasons of when you're, giving behind the scenes and just doing different things in your business or showing to your audience. But when it comes time to sell every quarter. Make it a point to sell every single quarter and to promote this product. And by the way, if you are interested in starting a profitable YouTube channel and learning how to promote these digital products with your YouTube channel on the back end per se, definitely check out my 6-step subscribers to sales blueprint. You can catch it right here or the first link in the description. It goes over the 6 steps on what you need to have a successful channel. And so a gateway course and a mini course and digital program is just scratching the surface to what type of digital products are out there and the types of things you can create and sell online. And so if you're still interested in learning more about digital products and how profitable they can be and what else you can sell, all you got to do is click right here, and I talk about 15 other products that you can promote that can make you $1,500 within a week. Check that out, and I'll see you on that video. What's going on, money-making YouTube fam? It is the digital revolution. That's right. So it's only fair that in today's video, we're going to talk about 15 different digital products